Hi friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss about introduction to R programming language, why we should learn R programming language, what are the issues with the R programming language. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. R is an open source programming language. What is meant by open source programming language? The source code is publicly available. And R is widely used as statistical software and data analysis tools. So, using R programming language, we can do the basic statistics, probability distributions, etc. And also, you can use the R programming language to analyze the data. So R is an open source programming language which is widely used as statistical software and data analysis tool. R programming language was designed by Ross and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand. So these are the two professors, one is Robert Gentleman and Ross, have developed or designed the R programming language. The initial version of the R programming language was released in 1995. Now let me discuss why should we learn the R programming language or features of the R programming language. R is simple and effective programming language. So you can write the programs very easily, which is similar to Python. So R has a simple syntax and it is also very effective programming language. And R is an interpreted programming language. What is meant by interpreted programming language? Usually we'll have three types of languages. One is machine level language, assembly language and high level language. What are the programs the programmers are writing? Those programming language will call them as high level language. Now computer or the machine can understand the machine level language which is in the form of ones and zeros. The programmers are comfortable writing the programs in high level language. We need a translator to translate from the high level language to the low level language. We have two types of translators. One is a compiler and another one is an interpreter. The R programming language uses the interpreter to translate the high level language to the low level language. So I can say that R is an interpreted programming language and R supports the OOPS concepts like class, object, data encapsulation, data abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. So I can say that R programming language is an object-oriented programming language. R programming language is a great resource for data analysis, data visualization, data science and machine learning. So using the R programming language, we can analyze the data and also we can do the data visualization using various graphs like pie charts, histograms, box plots, scatter plots, etc. And also we can do the tasks related to the data science. What is a data science? Data science is a science of collecting the data, storing the data, processing the data, visualizing the data and also analyzing the data. So we can do the data science tasks using the R programming language and also we can develop the models related to the machine learning. So I can say that R programming language is a great resource for data analysis, data visualization, data science and machine learning. R programming language supports many statistical techniques such as statistical tests, classification, clustering and data reduction. Already I said that R is widely used as statistical software. So that's why it supports the statistical techniques such as statistical tests, classification, clustering and data reduction. Using R programming language, we can easily draw graphs like pie charts, histogram, box plot, scatter plot, etc. That's why R is a great resource for data visualization. R programming language works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, and Linux. And it also has a large community support. If you face any difficulty while writing the program, you can take support from this community. So that's why R is very famous programming language, and it has many packages that can be used to solve different problems. Probability distribution plays a vital role in statistics, and R programming language is widely used as a statistical software. So, using R programming language, we can easily handle various types of probability distributions such as binomial distribution, normal distribution, chi-square distribution, etc. Tech giants like Google, Facebook, Twitter are using R programming language these days. So, because of these many features, R programming language is very popular. So, that's why I request you to watch all my videos and learn R programming language effectively. Now, let me discuss what is the issue with the R programming language. We have MATLAB and Python, which are also famous for statistical tool and data analysis tools. As compared to the Python and MATLAB, R programming language is slow. So that is the main issue with the R programming language. R programming language is slow as compared to Python and MATLAB. I hope you have understood the features and issues of R programming language. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.